Hi, welcome to our project Vehicle Speed Tracking System. In this project, we are going to cover a vehicle speed tracking system. The main reason for developing this project is that nowadays a lot of road accidents are happening day by day. One of the major reasons for road accidents is overspeeding. So to identify overspeeding using artificial intelligence, we have come up with an idea called Vehicle Speed Tracking System. In this system, we will be using the YOLO V8 architecture to detect and identify vehicles in real time. We will also be using multiple computer vision techniques to track the movement and calculate the speed of the vehicle. By combining both vehicle detection and speed tracking, we will be able to calculate the actual speed of the vehicle and determine whether it is within the standard speed limit or overspeeding. Whenever overspeeding is detected, the system will generate an alert for the respective authority or user. This helps in taking immediate action against traffic violations. So this is the overall overview of Vehicle Speed Tracking System project. Thank you for watching.